Friends, in this video we'll learn about minors and cofactors. Minor of an element of a determinant is defined as the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth column in which the element lies. Also, minor of an element is denoted by mij. Now, this will better understand with the help of an example. For example, suppose we have a determinant here and we have to find the minor of this element 6. So what is the position of this element? Is second row and second column. So we have to find, here we have to find M22. M22. That means we are finding the minor of the element 6, second row and second column. M22 equal to find this, what you have to do is cancel out all the elements in which of the rows in which 6 lies, and also of all the elements of the column in which 6 lies. So cancel out. So cancelling it, this will get 4. This all cancel out. Remaining is 1, 5, 7 and 0, and this you have not to show it on your answer sheet. So remaining elements will be 1, 5, and do not change their position, let them be as they are. 1, 5, 7 and 0. Position means we will not interchange them. 1 will remain wherever 1 is first, so it will remain first only. 5 is later, so it will remain there only. 7 and 0. So now we will solve this one. Therefore, M22 equal to 1 into 0. It is 0 minus 35. Therefore, M22 equal to minus 35. So this is the minor of the element 6. So this is how we get the element. We cancel out all the elements in which that all the elements of the rows and of the columns in which the particular element lies. So here we have cancelled out all the elements of row 2 as well as all the elements of column 2, and remaining whatever determinant is there, that will be our minor. Now let us take one more example. Suppose I take example number 2. This is of order 2 cross 2. Suppose we are having 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the question is like this: find M22. Find M22. So this is the element. How we can find the solution of this one? Solution is M22 equal to cancel out all the elements in which the number 5 lies of the rows and the columns. So what are the elements? 4, 5 and this will cancel out. Remaining will be only 2. So minor of 5 will be 2. So this is our solution. Next we learn about cofactor. Cofactor of an element of a determinant is denoted by capital Aij is defined as Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j, where I plus j into Mij, where I and j is the Ij is the position of the element of the matrix, in which row and which column it lies. So let us understand this with the help of an example. For example, let us take one example. Find A23 for the following determinant. Find A23 for the following determinant. So let us try this one. So determinant is like this: delta equal to, suppose we take any, I take 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 7, 3, then say 2, 6. So here A23 means element in the second row and third column. So what is that? This is our A23. Second row and third column. So first of all we will find the minor here. So therefore A23 equal to minus 1. Now raised to the power of the sum of the position in which the element 7 lies, that is 2, 3. 2 and plus 3. So 2 plus 3. Add this I and j. So I jth position, that I and j you have to add 2 plus 3 multiplied by the minor. So what is the minor? Minor is obtained by cancelling out all the elements in which all the elements of the rows and the column in which 7 lies. So 7 lies in third column and second row. So cancel out them. So as I told you earlier also, do not do this in your answer sheet. This you have to do orally only. So this will remain, remaining elements will be 3, 2 and here also 3 and 2. Because cancelling out the elements will be remaining determinant will be 3, 2 and 3, 2. So solving this we'll get minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. So this is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is an odd number. So minus 1 raised to an odd number is always minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, that is 0. So minus 1 into 0, that is 0. Therefore, A23 equal to 0. So this is our cofactor of the element 2, 3. Now similarly, let us take one more example. Find A22. So find A22 here for delta equal to, let me take 2 cross 2 determinant 1, 3, 4, 5. So therefore here solution will be I have to find A22. So A22 equal to, always first write minus 1 raised to the power of the sum of I and j. So here I is 2 and j is 2. 2 plus 2 multiplied by the minor of the element A22. So how can we obtain the minor here in this case? So here first of all find the position of this one. So this A22 cancel out the elements. So remaining is only 1. So determinant of 1, that is equal to 1 only. So what we will be getting here is minus 1, 2 plus 2. So minus 1 raised to 4 into 1, that is 1. So A22 equal to 1. So this is the cofactor of A22. This is how we can get the cofactors and minors.